Hi everyone! Today we will make a new keto recipe, a delicious Julie's chicken. To make this recipe, you will need chicken cut into pieces, mustard, oregano, cumin. Mix the ingredients. Add a little soy sauce. Mix again. Let the chicken marinate for about 20 minutes. Heat the skillet with oil. Once the pan and the oil are hot, add the marinated chicken. Add salt. Add extra seasoning you like. Put bay leaves on the chicken. Add a little soy sauce again. Cover the pan. Cook over medium-low heat for 15 minutes. And remember, stir every 5 minutes. The food is ready. Remove from heat and serve hot. Accompany this dish with a potato and lettuce, tomato and onion salad. Thanks for watching. I hope it was useful for you. See you soon in another keto recipe. Bye!